Hello everyone, my name is Reena. Welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. In my today's video, I'm going to discuss about two formulas, average and Averageifs function. Average is a basic Excel function and Averageifs is an advanced Excel function. So let's start. Here I have a data which has a employee ID, job title, department, salary. Now my requirement is I need average salary of this company. Before I'm extracting the average value from these numbers, it's very important I should check it if there's any outlier in my data. So if we check it, we can see I have here 500,000, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, and after 3,000 it's directly showing me 20,000. It's a very high number not matching with these numbers. So if I include this 20,000 to extract the average value, so my average value will be very high. So let's take an example. Let's apply the formula first. Equal, every formula start with equal, average, press the tab button, open parenthesis. Now formula is asking me to select number one. So it means this, number two, this, number three, this, and so you can see here the formula syntax is keep appearing number 4, number 5, something like that. It's very lengthy. Let's select the entire range in one go, close parenthesis, and press enter. Here you can see 2300 is the average salary of the company. Now let's check the department first. Here I have two department, IT and management. If I exclude the IT, let's check who is in the management. We have only one. So CEO, job title, and only one record I have here. Let's clear the filter and apply formula here. Equal, average, and this time I will exclude this 20,000 as it's an outlier in my data. It is not matching. And let's see the magic. If I exclude this number, what will happen with my average number? I select the range, close parenthesis, press enter, and you can see here now average salary of the company um, of IT actually, because management I excluded, and in management I have only one record which has 20,000 salary, which is very high, not matching with this data. It's an outlier, 20,000. So average salary now it's showing 1368, and if I was including this number it was showing 2300. So you can see it's almost like 1000 difference in the numbers. So it was very high. So now let's move on to the Averageifs function. So this was the reason we should check it before applying the average formula. Okay, here let's apply formula Averageifs. Averageifs formula also gives me average, but on the basis of the condition criteria, and in Averageifs function we can give as many as criterias. Here I will give you an example with two criterias. It's a department and job title. Equal, average, ifs, press tab button, open parenthesis. Now it's asking me average range. So my average range is here. I need average from this range. So this is the average range. Criteria range 1. My criteria is I need average only if the department is management and the job title is CEO. If these two meets, then I need the average. Okay, so now criteria range 1 is department. So let's select the department. Here is the department. I select the data here like this, range, comma, now criteria 1. The department, of course, this management. So now criteria range 2, second criteria. My second criteria, first one was that it should be the management, and second, it should be the CEO job title. So criteria range will be this because job title CEO exists in this range. So let's select it, comma, and criteria 2 is this. Now close parenthesis and press enter. You can see here 20,000. We had only one record, that's why it was showing 20,000. If I select the drop down and if I say the analyst, you can see here it's giving me divs. It means like div 0 means because the criteria is not matching, because both criteria should match. Now analyst doesn't exist in the management. Here it's in the IT department. Now you can see the number came here. And here the number is 1357 average salary with two criterias which we have applied here. If department is IT and job title is analyst, what it does actually, it's it does nothing much, just it actually filter down the department as IT and job title as analyst. And when you sum up, for example like this, I'll cross check analyst and department is IT. If you select these numbers, you can see here sum is showing it's 19,000. So 19,000 divided by 14, these are the 14 records actually. So if I divide 19,000 divided by 14, let's do here is equal to 19,000 divided by 14. So my answer should match. Let's clear the filter. You can see here 1357. If I remove this decimal, it match. So this is what, and here you can, if we have a drop down list here, if we change the job title, we will have a different average salary of, as per the job titles. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updated videos. Till that time, get guided learning and have a good time. Bye bye.